Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Open iTunes and connect the iPhone to your Mac. Press and hold the home button and the sleep-wake button at the same time. As soon as the screen goes black, release the sleep-wake button. Continue holding the home button until iTunes pops up a message telling you that it has detected an iPhone in recovery mode.
Take our lead.
How to hard reset the iPhone 12 all models. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears, then release the side button. The 29th of October 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Erase all content and settings from iPhone. Go to Settings, General, Reset. If you're asked to enter your passcode and you've forgotten it, see Reset the passcode. If you're asked to enter your Apple ID password and you've forgotten it, see the Recover Your Apple ID website. Tap Erase all content and settings.
Make your mark, take our lead.
To reset an iPhone to factory settings, start by opening Settings and tapping General to reset. Next, tap Erase all content and settings. When the pop-up appears on the screen, tap Erase Now. You'll be prompted to enter your passcode and confirm your decision. 19 February 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Press and hold the side button and one of the volume buttons until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to turn off your iPhone. Then connect your iPhone to your computer while holding the side button. Keep holding the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. 8 December 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.